Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will be continuing the star pattern. As our pattern programming sheet we will be continuing. So let's get started with the star pattern. So yeah, as I always say, for printing the pattern or solving the pattern problems, the first and the very important step you have to follow is that you have to count the number of rows and columns. So let us first count the number of rows. So here the rows are first row, second row, third row, fourth row, and the number of columns are first column, second column, third column, and the fourth column, right? So we can write as rows 4 and columns also 4. Okay, so the next step is we have to make an observation. It's see guys, it's all about the observation we make, right? We have to find a relation between the rows and columns, like the pattern should like print depending upon the number of rows, or some pattern maybe are printing, maybe it depends upon the number of columns, increasing columns, right? So here we can see one observation. We can see first row only one star, second row 2 stars, third row 3 stars, fourth row 5 stars. Similarly, if it were fifth row, if here it was fifth row, then here it would have been like 1 2 3 4 5 stars, right? Similarly, sixth row 6 stars, seventh row 7 stars. Okay, so one observation we have made, that the stars are depending upon the number of rows. Okay, number of rows. So we can code it easily. So let's code it and understand the solution. I is for iteration, I for see, I for rows iteration, and J for columns iteration, right? So let us take the number of rows. So first row, first column, and the number of columns are depending upon the number of rows, right? See, first, second, third, fourth, right? So let's run it and give the 4 rows and 4 columns. So yeah, we are getting the desired output. Again, I am explaining. First row, let me take different pen. First row, first column, second row, second column, third row, third column, fourth row, fourth column. Similarly, fifth row, if it were fifth row, fifth column, sixth row, sixth column. Like this, it would have been increasing. Okay. So the required pattern is printed. So if you really like this video, please subscribe my channel, and please share it with your friends and the one who are looking for learning pattern programming. Thank you.